You want your clothes clean, but you don't want them worn out. I'm Rich Andell, and I'm a senior test project leader testing washing machines. I've been at Consumer Reports almost 24 years. I get a lot of questions about laundry from my friends, coworkers, and also my kids. We are looking for a machine that cleans very well, but is also gentle on your clothes. We remove all the variables. We use a standardized load, standardized stains, standardized detergent. We use fabric swatches that are saturated with tough stains to remove. We have wine, cocoa, blood, carbon black, and sebum, like body oil. We measure those stains before and after with a colorimeter to see how much of the stain is removed. This is a lower performing machine and a higher performing machine, and you can see with the lower performance that more of the stains are left compared to the higher performing, which less of the stains are left. These are the ballast loads we use when we do the washing performance test. This is a combination of cotton sheets, cotton towels, and cotton pillowcases, and it's the same amount in each load. We do that so when we're testing the washing performance, we eliminate any variables and we can treat the machines equally. This is a gentleness cloth. This goes in the load with our test, and then we see how many threads are exposed after the load is done. This is a higher performing machine, and this is a lower performing machine. You can see that more threads are exposed. While we're doing this test, we're also measuring the amount of water, hot and cold, that the machine uses, and also the energy the machine uses, and then how well it spins your clothes out, how much remaining moisture is left. The more moisture it removes means less work for your dryer, less energy to dry your clothes. We use an expert panel to judge the noise of the machine. We do those judgments during the fill, the agitation or wash, the drain, and the spin parts of the cycle. If it's next to the bedroom, you want a quiet machine. If it's in your basement, you may not care as much. We do the vibration test to see how much vibration the machine transmits. It can be an issue with some front-load machines. You have the machine on a wood floor or second floor, it may vibrate or resonate through the house. Besides the testing that we do, we also note the different features and specs that the machines have. It's nice to bring all that data together and then see the results. We go through all of these measures so we can provide comparative information so you can make better buying decisions.